Debugging allows you to see and change any variables in the game. For example, the speed of infantry is usually set to slow, but I can change it to fast on the fly. I am using Visual Studio 2019, and I already have my GitHub account connected.
Unit ready.
Start by clicking Clone a repository and paste the full URL to the official EA repo. And once the cloning operation completes, click the Branches button in the top left side of the screen. Click New Branch and give it some name. Go to Solution Explorer and change the view to the SLN file. You will be asked to retarget the project. Accept the latest SDK and toolsets. Switch to Solution Explorer. Right-click the project name, for example TD, and open Properties. Under C++, then Preprocessor, find Preprocessor Definitions, and add the following flag. I'm getting it from my Steam guide. Accept and note that the configuration is set to Release Active. This is the default, and it will work. Now you're able to do a test. Right-click the project name again, and this time select Build. If it succeeded, change the output directory. Open Project Properties, find the C&C Remastered folder under Documents, create a new mod directory. If you don't know how to do this, then search for my other Steam guide called How to Start Modding in 4 Minutes. It has the ccmod file template that I need for this to work, so I'm just going to paste it in and change the name and description. Open the game directory under Steam Apps and find the Client Launcher G exe. Right-click it and create a shortcut. Right-click the shortcut and open Properties. Add the following 2 flags that can be found in my Steam guide. Rename the shortcut and drag it to the start bar. Start the game through the new shortcut. Do not forget to have Steam running. Start with Steam to enable the mod for the first time. Go to Options Mods and select the new mod, then reload. Once reloaded, you should be able to start any single-player game variant. Now is a good time to change your resolution to windowed mode. I picked the smaller window to be able to see it while debugging. Switch to Visual Studio and attach to the game. Open the debug menu and select Attach to Process. Find Instance Server G exe and click Attach. Your window should now change to debug mode, and you will be able to pause the game using breakpoints. To demonstrate, I want a convenient event to trigger this. Go to Search and look for house.cpp. Find this Begin Production method. In general, you can start anywhere. This was just the first thing that came to my mind. Once you find the body of Begin Production, set a breakpoint by left-clicking to the side of the line, or right-clicking and selecting that option. I had to get my game to a state where I could build. Once I clicked to build a power plant, the debugger paused execution and switched to Visual Studio automatically. If you don't have it open, then find the locals window using search. Let's move it to the right pane. There I can see a variable called type, and its value is building type. Let's place that power plant and click on hand. Again, the type is building type. To resume and go back to the game, click the Continue button in Visual Studio. Let the hand finish and place it. What happens if I click a unit instead? Like this rifle soldier. In this case, the type is set to infantry type and not building. You can also try other things like different infantry or maybe sandbags. Are those actually considered building types? Yes, looks like they are also building type. Don't forget to keep clicking that Continue button in order to unpause execution and go back to the game. Ain't nothing to it, open source made me do it.